mahina lang yung apoy dapat guys para hindi siya masunog. I'm also using not oil but dairy cream. Here we go. Hi guys. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching. Kamusta kayo? How are you today? Saturday ngayon. Kamusta kayo? How are you? How's your day? Luluto tayo. We're going to cook pancake. Pancake. Let's put some cream. Medyo maingay yung ating pan. Okay. There you go. So, lagay na tayo ng let's see. So, I'm gonna use this. Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag this dito. I'm gonna use this one para pang scoop sa mixture. Okay. Here we go. First pancake. Okay. Circle. Alright. Make it circle. There you go. Oops. Hi guys, how are you? We're going to cook. Ayan, pancake, merienda. See, nagbababol na siya. Lain pang baliktad. Tignan natin kung gaano ang maluluto natin sa 400 grams. Ilang pancake ang maluluto natin. So, naglagay tayo ng 2 eggs and 360 ml na milk. But yung milk, hindi natin siya inubos. Okay. Oh, nasunog na siya, guys. Malakas yung apoy. So, dapat madahan lang. Sorry. Nasunog. Yan, nasunog na. Let's add more. Nasunog na. My God. Hindi na siya masarap. Malakas kasi yung apoy. So, hinaan nyo lang, guys.